Hi, very good morning. Myself Balaji, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering. In our last video, we have discussed about human machine interface and what are types of machine interface, and then how it works with industrial applications, and then what are the elements of HMI, and then what are the advantages. Those things we have discussed. Okay, so basically HMI is used for to control the or industry operation by giving the some kind of inputs by the screen. Okay, these are about HMI. Okay, we don't want to revise all those things. If you want to know that, you can see in our last videos. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about SCADA. So SCADA is a supervisory control data acquisition system which is used for to monitor and to control the data for the industry applications. Okay, it may used for to control the industrial process, and then it may interact with all kind of HMIs, and then pumps, valves, motors, and then PLCs. Okay, so we can control the all those of industrial operations within the single window. That is what a SCADA system. In SCADA system, we have PLC, we have a ECU, we have a HMI things. Those things which are all available in a single window. In the screen, you can see there are some control buildings available. So in the screen, we have HMI interfaces available. So and then we have some plant operations in the field devices, and then the remote transmission unit also is available. So all those things which we can see in a single place by viewing the screen. Okay, and then checklist of the SCADA system. Okay, so checklist, in the checklist we have a flexible programming response sensor inputs, and then 24 into 7 24/7 automatic pager email notification, detailed information display, alarm filtering, expansion capability, redundant and then geo devices backup support for multiple protocols and equipment types. Okay, in flexible, we can get the data from the any kind of PLC. We can control the PLC by using the single SCADA system. We can connect the any kind of PLC on our SCADA system. We can connect the Siemens. We can connect the Delta, Danfoss, those kind of PLC. We can easily connect our SCADA system, and also it can give a 24 into 7 email and notification for the industry operation for the users. Okay, and then the information about the all industry operation also available in display, properly available. Okay, and alarm filtering also available to get the alarm while the data is exceeded. So we can easily see all those alarm systems are in our monitor. Okay, and then redundant. Okay, well, when the SCADA system is not working, we have a many kind of additional supporting devices are available in our main SCADA system. Okay, so this is about that's all about SCADA system, checklist of SCADA system. And also we have some multiple protocols to communicate the all kind of data, to transfer data from the our end effectors, to the PLC to our SCADA systems. Okay, so you can see in our screen, this is what the SCADA system are working. Okay, initially the SCADA system having a normal screen, and then we have to communicate the all data by the Profibus, and then Profibus which is connected to our semantic S7 like control PLC level, and then PLC may be controlled by some operator panels. Okay, and finally we have a many kind of what we say, actuators, and many actuator devices are available. Okay, so the actuators are available. These shows we can control easily all kind of actuators in the same display. Okay, so components of HMI, it's a field instrumentation, and then it has a RTU and PLC HMIs, and then it has a network connectivity to control the field buses protocol devices, and then it has a database to store the all kind of cloud. If you have to store in all kind of tools in the cloud itself. Okay, so the screen you can see is RTUs available to control the all kind of process, and then we have a SCADA system communication devices to control the all kind of HMI, and then to the our industrial operations. So these are the important components of SCADA system, which is a very RTU, PLC, HMI, which is a very important component of HMI system. By using these all kind of input systems, we can control the our end effectors. Okay, so this is what about our SCADA system, and the remaining things our see our even next video. Okay, thank you.
Right, thanks.